of Sharon, show me how to grow in beauty in God's sight. Fairest of 10,000s, make me a reflection of your love. Daystar, shine down on me. Let your love shine through me in the night. Lead me, Lord, I'll follow. Anywhere you open up the door. Let your word speak to me. Show me things I've never seen before. Lord, I want to be a witness. You can take what's wrong and make it right. Make it right. Daystar, shine down on me. Let your love shine through me in the night. Lord, I see a world that's dying, wandered by the master of disease. Groping in the darkness, haunted by the years of past defeat. But then I see you standing near me, shining with compassion in your eyes. Oh, in your eyes. Jesus, shine down on me. Let your love shine through me in the night. Lead me, Lord, I'll follow. Anywhere you open up the door. Yeah. Let your word speak through me. Show me things I've never seen before. Lord, I want to be a witness. You can take what's wrong and make it right. Make it right. Daystar, shine down on me. Let your love shine through me in the night. Lead me, Lord, I'll follow. Anywhere you open up the door. Yeah. Let your word speak through me. Show me things I've never seen before. Lord, I want to be your witness. You can take what's wrong and make it right. Make it right. Daystar, shine down on me. Let your love shine through me in the night. Lead me, Lord, I follow. Lead me, Lord, I to be a witness. You can take what's wrong and make it right. Daystar, shine down on me. Let your love shine through me in the night. Daystar, shine down on me. Let your love shine through me in the night. Jesus, shine down on me. Let your love shine through me in the night.